Model 2015 Ford Transit Custom L1H1 2.2 TDCi 125ps Limited Spares OR Repairs Body, black, panel van mileage, 92,711 MOT, the 8th of January 2024 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has slipped, fault codes to confirm, should be an easy fix for someone that knows what they're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission look perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: parking sensors, air con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail: £10,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.